This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your browsing history in Google Chrome. I'm going to go ahead and jump over to Google Chrome here. I'm already signed into my Google account. To clear your browsing history in Google Chrome, what you need to do is click on the three-dot hamburger menu up at the top right. Click on that. Then go down to click on, or you go to More Tools. In the drop down under More Tools, you want to go to Clear Browsing Data. Select that. And then it gives you a few different options. You can clear it for all time under this time range area. You can clear it for all time, or you can clear it for the last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, last hour, or all time. And it will clear your images and files, cookies, and other site data in your browsing history. You could select the Advanced tab. Usually you just stay under Basic, but you can select the Advanced tab if you're a little more on the techie side, and it'll give you some more options. It'll ask you if you want to clear passwords and other sign-in data, autofill data, form datas, like when you start to fill out a form or something on Google, and it'll automatically fill it in for you. If you check these boxes, it erases all that stuff. But all you got to do is click Clear Data, and it will erase your browser history. That's it. Thanks for watching.